This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Adobe XD Prototype. First, navigate to the Prototype tab in Adobe XD. This is where you'll connect your design artboards to simulate user journeys. Simply drag a connector from an element on one artboard to the next artboard to define a flow. You can then specify the trigger, action, and destination for each interaction, laying the groundwork for your user experience. Now, let's make those connections come alive. Adobe XD offers a variety of triggers, including tap, drag, and time, to initiate interactions. You can choose from several transition types, such as dissolve, slide, or push, to guide the user smoothly between screens. Fine-tune the easing and duration settings to create polished, professional animations that truly enhance the user's journey through your design. To elevate your prototypes, explore advanced features. Components with states allow you to create dynamic elements that change based on user interaction, like a button changing color. Utilize scroll groups to simulate long pages or carousels, providing a realistic scrolling experience. For cutting-edge interfaces, you can even design voice prototypes, enabling users to interact with your design using spoken commands. Finally, it's time to test and share your creation. Use the desktop preview or mirror your prototype to a mobile device to experience it firsthand. You can record user flows directly within XD, capturing valuable feedback for refinement. When ready, generate a shareable web link, allowing stakeholders to review and comment on your interactive prototype from anywhere, fostering seamless collaboration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.